Mastering the art of water leak detection is a skill that benefits homeowners, property managers, and anyone responsible for maintaining buildings. Water leaks can be sneaky adversaries. They often begin as minor issues, but left unchecked, they have the power to cause extensive damage, foster mold growth, and rack up expensive repair bills. Understanding how to spot and address leaks early is crucial for protecting your property and ensuring peace of mind. The journey starts with awareness. Water leaks rarely announce themselves loudly at first. Instead, they manifest through subtle signs: a musty odor in the air, damp spots on walls or ceilings, or an unexplained spike in your water bill. Developing an eye for these clues is the foundation of effective leak detection. Walk through your home or building regularly, paying attention to areas near plumbing fixtures, under sinks, around toilets, and in the basement. Look for discolored patches on drywall, bubbling paint, or warped flooring. Each may hint at moisture lurking beneath the surface. Next, cultivate the habit of listening. In a quiet room, the gentle sound of dripping water or a faint hissing near pipes can often reveal problems that visual inspections miss. Early mornings or late nights, when ambient noise is low, are ideal times for this exercise. If you hear suspicious sounds, trace them to their source, checking both exposed and hidden piping. Your sense of smell can also be a powerful ally. Persistent musty or earthy odors often signal mold or mildew, which thrive in damp environments. Such smells, especially in rooms with plumbing, should never be ignored. Mold not only damages structures, but can pose health risks, making swift action imperative. Beyond these sensory techniques, consider investing in technology. Modern leak detection devices have revolutionized the process, making it easier than ever to pinpoint trouble spots. Moisture meters, for example, can measure the dampness within walls, floors, and ceilings, providing quantitative data to guide your search. Infrared cameras detect temperature differences, highlighting cold, wet areas that might otherwise go unnoticed. Acoustic leak detectors amplify the sound of water movement within pipes, helping professionals find leaks beneath concrete or within walls. Don't forget the value of water meter testing. Turn off all water-using appliances and fixtures in your home, then observe the water meter. If it continues to spin even slowly, there's likely a hidden leak somewhere in the system. Repeating this test periodically allows you to catch leaks before they escalate. Outdoor leaks require a different approach. Inspect irrigation systems, garden hoses, and spigots for pooling water or soggy ground. Sometimes, leaks in underground pipes manifest as unusually lush patches of grass or sunken areas in the yard. These clues, though easy to overlook, can save you from larger headaches down the road. Once a leak is suspected or found, prompt action is essential. Isolating the affected area and shutting off the water supply can prevent further damage. For minor leaks, such as dripping faucets or exposed pipe joints, DIY repairs using plumber's tape or replacement washers may suffice. However, significant or hidden leaks often require professional intervention. Plumbers possess specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair complex problems, safeguarding your property from ongoing harm. Prevention is the ultimate goal. Regular maintenance, such as inspecting pipe joints, replacing worn seals, and insulating exposed pipes in cold climates, can reduce the risk of future leaks. Additionally, consider upgrading older plumbing materials to more durable, modern alternatives. By staying proactive and vigilant, you transform leak detection from a reactive chore into a refined skill, one that preserves your home, protects your investment, and delivers lasting peace of mind. In the end, mastering water leak detection is a blend of keen observation, technology, and timely action. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be prepared to confront leaks head-on, ensuring that minor inconveniences never become major disasters. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed and found the presentation helpful, please hit the like button for others' benefit. Thanks, and have a great day.